Assalamu alaikum viewer, this is Kassar Abbas, Primavera P6 consultant. In this video we are going to learn how can we find and replace data in Primavera P6. On this window you can see we have already created WBS for this project. In this project we have created three blocks, block A, B and block C, and all block activities are same. We have created block A activities, so we want to replace block A activities with block B, because block A and block B activities are same. It's very easy. First we will highlight all activities of block A. Highlight all activities, right click here and next copy. Next we will select block B, right click, next paste. Okay, no need to change in this window. Okay, here you can see block B activities are showing here. So we want to replace block A with block B. So first we will highlight block A, right click, copy. Next we will go to edit, next replace. In find word we will paste block A and we want to replace with block B. So we will change block A with block B. So we will choose replace option, because we want to replace block A with block B in only block B activities. Next we will press replace button, replace. We will use a replace button because we want to replace only block B activities. If we will we will use replace all, then all activities of block A and B will be changed with block B. So it's very easy. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for more videos and updates. Thank you very much.